Now let's start with the topics of this. This law of diminishing marginal utility. We included some terms for understanding the law, and they are: first one is the total utility. The total utility is the summation of all the utility gained by consuming something. Zero utility, when the consumption of a unit of a commodity makes no addition to the total utility, that is the point of zero utility. Marginal utility, it is the additional utility derived on the consumption of one more unit of the commodity. Negative utility, it is the consumption of a unit of commodity is carried to excess, then instead of giving any satisfaction, it cause dissatisfaction. It's called negative. Then assumptions of the law of diminishing marginal utilities are: all the units of the given commodity consumed in succession should be identical in size, shape, color, taste, freshness, maturity, etc. That is, homogeneity of the commodity is the basic requirement of the law. Another assumption is consumption should be continuous without any interval. That is, there should not be any gap during the consumption process. During this particular activity, it is also assumed that taste, preference, income, etc. remain unchanged. With the help of this table, we can understand the law of diminishing marginal utility. Consumption of or drinking of 1 glass of water gives the total utility is 20. Another class, second class, gives the 32 unit of total utility. Third class gives 40 utils of total utility. Fourth 42, fifth 42, and sixth class gives 39 units of utils of total utility. Marginal utility is the is 20, 12, 8, 2, 0. So we can see that the marginal utilities start decreasing as the successive unit of drinking water increases. Then the exception of the law: hobbies, drunkard, miser, gambling. If these qualities or these bad habits will be there in that person, then we can't apply the law of diminishing marginal statement. This law says that the law implies that if a person has a thing which he can put to several uses, he will distribute it between those uses in such a way that it's the same marginal order. We are explaining the law of equimarginal. Then the assumptions of the law of equimarginal utility. The consumer behaves rationally. He has full knowledge about the commodities, their attributes, price, etc. Utilities measured in terms of utilities. With the help of this table, we can understand the marginal utility. First unit gives 30 units, second 20, 16, 8, 6, 4. Consumption of another good gives 24, 15, 9, 6. Further consumption gives utility by the third good is 15, 10, 8, 5. Next topic is consumer surplus. Consumer surplus is the excess of what we are prepared to pay over what we actually pay for a commodity. It's called consumer surplus. This willingness means difference between willingness and ability to pay is called consumer surplus. Then assumptions of the consumer surplus. Marginal utility of money for the consumer is assumed to be the same throughout the process. Commodity does not have substitutes. At a given point of time, there are no difference of income, taste, preference, and fashion among the consumers. Producer surplus. Producer surplus is an economic measure of the difference between the amount a producer of a good receives and the minimum amount the producer is willing to accept for the good. Producer surplus is generated by market price in excess of the lowest price producers would otherwise be willing to accept for their goods. With the help of this graph, we can understand we can show the consumer surplus and producer surplus. The intersection of the demand curve and supply curve, the point is called as market price, and the portion above the supply curve is called consumer surplus, and portion below the demand curve is the consumer surplus, and portion above the supply curve is producer surplus. It's all about the